Today, I am going to show you what happens when abrasive makes direct contact during the blasting process. These glass cups will be an example of glass beads.
Hey guys, this is Tua with Vapor Honing Technologies, and today we are going to be breaking stuff.
Not that kind of breaking. That's closer, but not quite. I will drop one of the glass cups into the metal container at a height of 5 feet with no water in it. This demonstration will be an example of dry blasting. As you can see, it took one try for the cup to break. When using glass bead in a dry blast system, the abrasives will break into smaller pieces as it makes direct impact. The abrasives then gets recycled and the blasting process continues to break the abrasive into smaller pieces. Next, I will drop the other glass cup into the metal container at the same height, but this time I added an inch of water. This demonstration will be an example of wet blasting.
2, 3.
As for wet blasting, the addition of water will cushion the abrasive, making the lifespan of the abrasive 3 times longer than if it was in a dry blast system. As you can see, this experiment proves that all abrasives will break into smaller pieces during the blasting process. On this experiment, I dropped the cup more than 10 times and it slowly breaks away. This experiment proves that upon impact, the abrasive breaks less with the help of water. I hope you guys enjoyed this experiment. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more contents.